Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use tap and pay on Google Wallet. So this important step you have to follow, guys. The first step is turn on your screen and your mobile and unlock your phone, and you don't need to open Google Wallet app, and just hold on back on your phone to the payment and try hold your phone a different way and on your device, and hold your phone closer to the payment reader and hold your phone to the payment reader for a few extra seconds, and double check the store this accepts mobile payment. So guys, the key is turn off, as you can see here, turn on your screen on your mobile. After that, guys, hold your phone a different way and hold back on your phone to the payment order. This is how you can do, guys. Actually, I have this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.